Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently discovered that I could achieve a low bun hairstyle with my short hair. I decided to give it a try 2 days ago. So the first step is to braid the section of my hair where I'd like the bun to be. This braid will serve as the focal point for securing the bun. Next, I wet my hair because it works better when it's damp. Then I gently comb through my hair to ensure it's smooth and tangle free. Next thing is to part my hair in the middle. I prefer the middle part because it complements my face shape. So I'm using my Eco Professional Styling Gel, which I apply a generous amount of it to my hair. And I keep distributing the gel evenly throughout my head and continue combing my hair until it's completely covered. So to achieve the desired sleek look, I like to wrap my head with my scarves. I have a couple of scarves, and in this case I'm just gonna use what I can to keep the hair neat and tied down. So I used a couple of scarves that I own, and I kept the hair in for 30 minutes. This gives me some time to take a relaxing shower and do my makeup, and by the time I'm done with my shower and makeup, my hair has set beautifully. Moment of truth. After I remove the head wrap, that's how the hair looks. I think it's very well slicked down. I still have my braid over there, and now for the finishing touch, I use my Malo hair. I think the name is Malo. I got it from Kenya, and I use it to help me create a fabulous bun. It's a game changer when it comes to achieving that sleek, stylish look. You have to tie it around the braid that you created, And then you keep tying and tying until you feel comfortable enough to start wrapping the hair around to create the desired look. I feel secure, and then I'm gonna part the hair into two, and one side I'm going to wrap it and keep wrapping it around, and do the same for the other section. To secure the bun, I like to use bobby pins. They are super handy and keep everything in place. Voila! That's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this video will help someone out there. Bye.